In this guide, I'll show you how to button map controllers on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is select System Settings in the bottom right corner, then scroll down until you find Accessibility. So you can scroll over and select Button Mapping, and here's where you'll be able to see your Joy-Con 2 controllers that are connected, as well as if you have a Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller. So let's first go to this Joy-Con 2 right controller, where you'll have the option to edit your controller mapping. So here you can select any button you'd like, and if you select it, you can change it to any other button. So I'm just going to select this one for example, and you have the option of also displaying your controller horizontally to see what it'd look like. And if you're happy with these settings, you can select Save. Now once these buttons have been saved, if you ever want to reset it back to normal, you can select this option here, or you can save these settings as a preset. I'm just going to reset it now because I don't want it like that. And also with the Nintendo Switch 2 Pro controller, if you go to Edit Controller Mapping, you'll also be able to adjust the control stick settings, swapping them, as well as if you go to the GL/GR button settings, you can adjust the back buttons here to assign them to a button. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.